Class action lawsuits are controversial because they represent one of the only weapons in order to combat corporate fraud or corporate overstepping. Therefore, there is a very large effort on the part of the defense bar and large corporations to either eradicate or limit class actions because they represent an important weapon and a way to fight corporate fraud or corporate overstepping. There is also controversy because certain class actions do not allow for large recoveries because the amounts in controversy are relatively small per person. However, I would suggest that that does not mean that that particular action is not worth bringing because it, again, acts as a kind of a check on corporate conduct and serves that important role as well.